Sawadee-ka. Welcome to Bangkok Rooms channel. And today I just got back from the gym and I'm just about to make a smoothie, fruit smoothie. This is one of my favorite one, and I always do this for my breakfast or after the gym. And I call this one Lekkie boost juice. So I want to show you the way I make it as well. Hopefully you will like it because I love it. So let's juice. Let's go. โอเคค่ะทีนี้เรามีวัตถุดิบอุปกรณ์เตรียมพร้อมนะคะซึ่งมีอะไรมั่งมาดูกันเลยค่ะ Okay, here we got all the ingredients for my super green smoothie. So first, spinach, and you know the goodness of the spinach, the great chlorophyll in here as well. So ผักขมนะคะผักขมสำหรับป๊อบอายกินแล้วกล้ามใหญ่จำได้ไหมคะป๊อบอาย and then apple นะคะแอปเปิ้ลเขียวซึ่งจะไม่หวานมาก one apple a day keep doctor away. Remember that? Ginger, you can use fresh ginger like this, but you know, just peel the skin, cut it in a small, put it in. It's good for you. ขิงนะคะขิงตัวนี้ก็ดีใครชอบขิงก็จะดีต่อสุขภาพนะคะ or sometimes ginger you can use ginger juice. I use ginger juice. If I don't have ginger juice, I use ginger root. I use this one is concentrate ginger juice, and I also drink one shot a night. You know, you have just one shot before bedtime. It's really good for your health. Try it. Okay, and avocado, one of the ingredients. Avocado นะคะอีกอันนึง and also mango มะม่วงนะคะคือส่วนผสมอีกตัวหนึ่งสำหรับ smoothie นะคะ and apple juice. I use apple juice as a part of the liquid for this smoothie. So now we got all ingredient. น้ำแอปเปิ้ลนะคะก็คือส่วนหนึ่งที่จะใส่ so we got all the ingredients. I'm going to get everything prepared and cut it up into small pieces, and I will get into my smoothie maker. It's this one just simply, you know, simple one, and you can get it anywhere from supermarket, quite cheap. ใช้แบบนี้ค่ะตัวปั่นตัวนี้ค่ะไม่แพงใช้ได้ง่ายๆ simple use. Okay, so we got everything ready now, so let's juice. Let's go. Okay, หั่นเลยนะคะ so we just cut it up into small pieces like this, and then just put it in there. I use one whole apple ก็คือใช้แอปเปิ้ลทั้งลูกเลยนะคะ and just cut in the small pieces like this. So very easy and simple and healthy. And then avocado, you just the way you cut avocado, you just cut it go round and round, and then when you go round like that, and then just twist it, it will come up like that. So I'm going to use just one half. So here we go. And it's just easy to peel as well with avocado. And then again, mango, I use half of it. You know, just peel the skin off. Just peel the skin off. Just cut into small pieces like this, and then we just put everything in there, and then a little bit of apple juice. แล้วก็ใส่หั่นทุกอย่าง we put everything in this one, and then apple juice go in. ใส่ทุกอย่างลงไปเลยค่ะหั่นแล้วน้ำขิงเข้าไปใส่ทุกอย่างแล้วก็น้ำแอปเปิ้ล ใส่เลยค่ะ just about there and that's it. It's now put the lid on. Make sure you close it properly, otherwise the liquid will leak. ปิดฝานะคะแล้วก็ปั่นเลยค่ะปิดฝา Okay ready ปิดฝา ready let's boost let's juice let's go Okay เสร็จแล้วค่ะ right now my smoothie is ready now so oops and my hand is a bit slippery now it's ready so I'm going to เรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะ okay so just my super green smoothie and look this is my smoothie that I have super green superfood let's try it this is Lekkie boost juice wow okay now so my smoothie is ready now you have a look super green it's looking good as well and let's try wow อร่อยมากเลยค่ะอร่อยvery creamy very yummy wow it's you can taste the creamy from avocado you can taste apples mangoes and it's lovely little spicy from ginger อร่อยมากค่ะมีรสชาติของแอปเปิ้ลนะคะแล้วก็ขิงออกเผ็ดๆนิดนึงนะคะไม่ชอบขิงก็ไม่ต้องใส่ก็ได้แต่ว่า it perfect with the all combination really nice you have to try this if you like my video please like and share and subscribe if you haven't done it that's mean the world to me ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่ติดตามแล้วก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์ subscribe ด้วยนะคะขอบคุณที่ติดตามชมแล้วก็เจอกันวิดีโอหน้านะคะ thank you for watching see you next time cheers